Guess what, guys? I'm going to show you in this video how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. Super crazy. So it actually works. So keep watching the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. We'll be hopping into a game right here and I'll show you that it works. All right, so let me just join a game just so you guys can see. This is super cool. Oh, this is an inappropriate game. Let me just get out of here. Okay. Let's do a game that is not inappropriate. All right, so here we go. Hopefully this game works because Roblox put a check-in to make you 18 plus, and this is obviously not 18 plus, but yep, the Delta Executor is here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, we got all the settings right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it for your device. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if you guys want to get Delta Executor, just keep watching the video. I'll show you how to get it. So just go over to this website and then just type Delta, and as you can see, there it is. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification, so you just have to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, so you can see it's version 6.7, so that's cool. So let's just let it do its thing, and then we should be good to go. So at the end, it's just going to say like missing files or something. So I just got to download some of these apps. So as you can see, we got Reco Social, Rewarded Play. So just press on it and it takes you straight to the store, and then you just want to download it, and then you'll get the Delta Executor onto your device. Unfortunately, Roblox kicks you out every single game, but yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but that's how to download it for your device. So this is super cool, guys. As you can see, all the settings in here, so it's super wild. So yeah, have fun, and that's how to get Delta Executor.